Hey everyone! So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to secure Gmail for remote work in the USA step by step. With remote work becoming more common, securing your Gmail account is critical to protect sensitive company data and personal information. This full guide for 2026 will help you stay safe while working from anywhere. First, enable two-factor authentication via Google account, security, two-step verification. Use a strong, unique password, ideally stored in a password manager. Check your Gmail account activity regularly under Last Account Activity. Ensure your devices are secure with antivirus OS updates and lock screens. Use Gmail confidential mode for sensitive emails with expiration dates and passcodes. Avoid public Wi-Fi unless using a VPN to encrypt your connection. Organize emails with labels, folders, and filters to prevent accidental data leaks. Backup critical Gmail emails to Google Drive or another secure location. Educate yourself and your team on phishing scams, suspicious links, and safe email practices. And yeah, that's how to secure Gmail for remote work in the USA step by step in 2026. If this helped you protect your account and work safely, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.